In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate Slack channel updates using an AI agent in Hermes Agent. First, make sure you have your Slack integration ready. You'll need a Slack app and a Slack bot token so Hermes can send messages directly to your Slack channel. Next, open Hermes Agent and go to the Give Hermes a Task box. Enter a prompt like Monitor Project Updates and automatically create concise Slack status reports with bullet points and action items. Once you submit the prompt, Hermes will create a sub-agent to handle the task. Now, connect your Slack bot credentials to the workflow and choose the channel where updates should be posted. Test the automation by providing a sample update. Hermes will generate a formatted Slack message and send it directly to the selected channel. You can customize the format, tone, and frequency of updates by adjusting your prompt and workflow settings. And that's it. You've successfully automated Slack channel updates using Hermes Agent. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.